Here's how to make delicious guacamole in no time. Our recipe only takes 5 minutes to make. First, chop a handful of coriander. You can leave in most of the stems, they're very flavorful. Dice 1 small onion. To make a small dice, carefully slide sideways through the onion. Slice 1 small tomato into wedges and remove the seeds. This is just to make your guacamole look nicer. You don't have to do it. Chop up 1 jalapeno. If you want to minimize the spiciness, remove the seeds. If you like your guacamole extra spicy, add another jalapeno. Slice 2 large ripe avocados in half. Then twist it open and remove the pits. You can do this with a knife as shown, or you can remove the pits with a small spoon. Slice in a crisscross pattern, then scoop out the inside. Squeeze in the juice of 1 lime, not lemon. Add salt to taste, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil or avocado oil. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. We like our guacamole chunky, so we just give it a little stir to combine. Check your seasoning and add more salt if needed. Enjoy your delicious guacamole. If you like our guacamole recipe, we think you'll like this video too.